What's up, everyone? So, with this time, I'm going to be building a lead generator from Yellow Pages platform. Basically, I've already created the project and I'm just going to go through it. So, I use rotating proxies. It's very straightforward to set up and basic user agents. So, for the code, basic setting up, a counter, a rule to crawl subdomains, and command line arguments. Basically, this is for the input search, this is for the country, for the town, for the state, and the number of leads we need, and sorting type. So our main page gives us a form. We define the form data and we give it these key values that it requires. So basically, if I would send the request again, and here we have our query string, search term and geolocation terms. So we give it that, format it, we find the form ID, give it data, and give it a callback. Cool. So when we get the callback, we basically get this view. What we need is a URL to each individual page. This one. So this function is all about that, getting the correct link. Here it checks for the sorting type, which is this. It has 4 different types of sort. The name, by the average rating, distance, and default. The default value is default, so if you want to go with default, you don't need to input it anywhere. So you get the link, you append it, you give it a callback, and this is priority 1, which means it will be prioritized, basically. And here as well, it looks for the sorting type in the response URL, and if the number of leads is less than self-counter, this is the class variable. We don't need more leads than we require, and if none of that corresponds, we just yield a response to itself with a new sort type. But this should be configured this should go to another if, like this. Okay. Yeah, that should do it. For the pagination, I tried it out. I got a typo here somewhere, so I didn't even bother looking at it up. Basically, I can just hard code for you what you can try. You can try doing this, and you can catch for index So anyway, once we're in here, the individual element, it's very straightforward. We're appending everything to a lead dict. We're giving it an empty portfolio item key. This one you should actually look up individually. Maybe you can get the item from the lead website, or maybe you will be able to get some social media like Facebook or Instagram. So here we simply take out the correct email representation, and here we check if the lead doesn't have an email on the website, then we don't do anything with it, otherwise we yield it. So pipeline, I had a lead JSON object. It simply was like this, an empty list. So you open the file, read the file, then you make the file a dictionary, then you access that dictionary's list key and append an item to it. You go to the very beginning of JSON, like here, the very beginning, and you write that JSON object to a file, you close the file. Very straightforward. So here, for some reasons I just got some JSON errors, even though that it worked perfectly, because of this. Don't know why. Syntax got messed up. But anyway, this will be how it will be represented. And this is how it looks like in the terminal. Okay, that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, definitely smash the like, subscribe buttons, and stay tuned for more. The code will be up at GitHub, so see you later.